Fine and mild winter weather has settled in across South Africa in the middle of the work week. It's been a dry day with very little happening on our satellite, other than some low clouds settled in over the extreme southern parts and two bands of high cloud extending across the country. Overnight, we're expecting cold conditions over the interior with minimums dropping below zero. Over the central and southern parts, the day starts off with some morning fog along the northeastern escarpment on Thursday, with a mostly cloudy day over the extreme northeastern parts, partly cloudy as we head towards Gauteng, with a mostly sunny and mild day for the majority of South Africa, and we're forecasting sunny conditions over the southwestern parts. It'll be a dry Thursday for KwaZulu-Natal with highs in the low 20s over the interior. Durban and Richards Bay can expect highs in the mid-20s. 23 degrees for Port St. John's with a cold start to the day over much of the Eastern Cape, but particularly over the northern parts with minimum temperatures dropping below zero overnight, and then we'll see highs at around 20 in the afternoon. Partly cloudy at 6 and 17 for George with a fine and dry day for Beaufort West at 19. We're still expecting some cloud over the interior part of the Western Cape, but it'll be a dry day with a sunny forecast for Cape Town at 19 degrees, Langobaan and Worcester at 20. 26 in the afternoon for Vredendal, and Springbok makes it to 22 on Thursday afternoon. 26 as we head into Uppington, with the rest of those highs peaking in the upper teens and low 20s for the Northern Cape. Partly cloudy over the southern parts of the Free State with minimum temperatures dropping below zero for much of the province overnight, and then highs warming up into the upper teens and low 20s. Vryburg tops 24 with a high of 22 for Mahikeng on Thursday afternoon. Partly cloudy over this part of South Africa with a partly cloudy and dry forecast for Limpopo, Polokwane and Zanin at 21, and a warm day for Messina at 27. Mostly cloudy for Bombela at 24, 19 as we head into Secunda, and Standerton and eMalahleni can expect a high of 21 degrees. Partly cloudy and dry for Gauteng with those highs slowly making their way into the low 20s, Johannesburg at 20 and Pretoria at 22. A moderate southeasterly wind is forecast for Cape Town with light winds over the interior, other than a fresh northeasterly wind for Uppington on Thursday afternoon. Things stay dry on Friday with lots of sunshine across the country. You'll see a few highs peaking in the mid-20s, and by Saturday a few highs will peak in the upper 20s in KwaZulu-Natal and the Lowveld, with some cloud expected over the western part of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.